In this video, you will learn how to convert Excel file into Google Sheet. Currently, you can see here I have opened an Excel file and I will convert this Excel file into Google Sheet. So let's start this tutorial. If this video is helpful for you, then please like this video and subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Firstly, open your Google Drive. Currently, you can see here I have opened my Google Drive. After that, you will find the option of New. Click on this. And here you will find the option of Google Sheets. Click on this arrow sign and I will select blank spreadsheet. Select this one. Now you can see here that Google Sheet has inserted a blank sheet. After that, go to File option. Click here and from drop down menu you will select Import option. Click on it. You can import data from my drive, shared with me, recent. I will select upload because I will select a file from my desktop. Here you will find the option of browse. Click on it and select the location of your file. My file is on desktop, so I will select this one. I want to convert this file. I will select this one. Click on open. Now it is importing that data. Here you will find the option of import file and click on import data. Now you can see here our Excel file is converted into Google Sheet and all data is imported into this. You may observe slight variation in data because Excel has some advanced options that are not available in Google Sheet. By doing so, you can easily convert Excel file into Google Sheet. For example, currently you can see here I have converted this one, and if I open Excel file, this one, you can see here all data is imported into our Google Sheet. Now if I close this one and refresh it, here you can observe that the file which is converted into Google Sheet is appeared here. If I double click on it, then it will be open. Now you can see here that file is open now. So by doing so, you can easily convert Excel file into Google Sheet. That's the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.